Hey, this is day 2 of 100 days. 100 business ideas. Just stick with us for 2 minutes. Maybe one of these can actually change your life. You must watch this if you're in your teens or early 20s. This one's low effort, but powerful. Rent your stuff. Let's be real. You've got things lying around you barely use. A camera, a tripod, a ring light, a VR headset. That speaker system from your cousin's wedding? Yeah, that too. People are out here throwing parties, doing school projects, filming YouTube videos. And they don't want to buy this gear. They just want it for the weekend. So offer it. Start small. Post in Facebook groups or neighborhood boards. Canon DSLR for rent, $25 a day. Podcast mic kit, $40 for the weekend. There's a site called Fat Llama where people rent gear daily. But even if you never touch that site, your local network is full of renters. They just don't know you've got what they need. Here's what one dude did. He had a projector, barely used it, rented it to students doing dorm movie nights. $30 a night. He made $400 in 1 month from a gadget that was collecting dust. Now think bigger. Bundle your stuff. Party night set, speaker, lights, extension cords, content creation kit, camera, tripod, mic. Charge $50 to $100 and deliver it like Uber Eats. No product to make, no inventory to manage, just things you already own, now paying you rent. And here's the mindset shift. When you realize that you don't have to sell things to make money, you just have to let people borrow them. You start seeing assets everywhere. Even your clutter can cut you a check. For more ideas, please subscribe and comment. See you next time.